More and more Americans are falling behind on their mortgage payments, and that can have a devastating impact on their credit.
Consumer investigator Christine Lazar is here with advice on what to do when you fall behind on payments, from mortgage to credit cards, which unfortunately a lot of people are dealing with right now.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are having to decide which bill do I pay and which bill do I ignore. And while we're not at the rate that we were, say, in 2008, 2009, it is still very alarming. So mortgages that are more than 90 days past due rose more than 18.5% in December. Year over year. That's according to credit scoring company Vantage Score. Nowhere near, again, the number we saw during the financial crisis from 2008 to 2010, but still significant. I'm joined now by financial advisor Winnie Sun. Winnie, thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks so much for having me, Christine.
So according to Vantage Score, the rate of people missing their mortgage payment is rising faster than delinquencies for auto loans and credit cards. Why do you think that is?
So, Christine, I think of it as three big factors. Number one, we know that, mortgage payments are higher because interest rates are higher. And of course, then the cost of goods, like inflation is still real. And so we're talking about like insurance costs, definitely much higher, especially here in Southern California. Maintenance costs is expensive as well, property taxes. And let's face it, a lot of us aren't earning the income that we were hoping. We didn't get the raises that we're hoping for this year.
Yeah, and that brings up a good point. It's a good reminder to buy a house you know you can afford instead of trying to stretch your budget, which a lot of people will do. So what's your advice on how to determine what you can afford when it comes to making a mortgage payment?
So, Christine, I like this ratio. I call it sort of like not being house poor ratio, which is kind of a 28-36 rule, where you want to try to make sure that your mortgage payments are less than about 28% of your gross monthly income. In addition, your debt payments or the expenses that you have on a monthly basis, you want to make sure those don't exceed about 36% of your gross monthly income. So it's sort of like a simple guideline, but it helps you kind of protect your cash flow, even if interest rates go up. And of course, inflation causes expenses to go up as well.
So if you're in the position that you cannot afford to make your mortgage payment, what do? Do you call the bank? Do you sit around and wait? What's your advice?
Well, Christine, I call it sort of the keep calm and ask for help. You want to contact your servicer, your loan servicer, whoever the bank is, a financial institution, early. Don't wait until you're about to miss a payment. It's better to call them right away when you think there might be trouble coming along, and just be really honest and open with them. First off, stay calm, be polite, and be ready for your call. I actually recommend that you ask to speak with a supervisor or manager before you do so, and just say, this is my name, this is a situation, I need some help. And what can you do for me?
And what can you expect in terms of help? Like them allowing you a different payment plan, giving you some grace period? What are you seeing?
Well, Christine, first off, you want to ask if there's any hardship options. And a lot of lenders today do recognize that a lot of Americans are struggling for numerous reasons, right? We know that even this year, there's been a lot of layoffs. And because of it, you can ask them, can you pause or maybe reduce payments just temporarily? Are there any income-based plans or restructuring options that might be available to me? And a lot of servicers do offer these sort of like loan mod or modification, sort of lower payments, extended terms, even forbearance programs. And don't forget refinancing options. So if you still have income coming in, take a look at rates. If rates start to drop, that might be a chance for you to refinance your whole loan.
All right, Winnie, thank you so much. I think the key here is not to panic. Thanks for your advice. We appreciate you joining us this morning.
Thank you so much, Christine, for having me.